Yo, what's up, guys? I wanted to make this video. I've been going to this taco place for years now. It's in Santa Ana. I know a lot of good taco spots in Santa Ana, but this is one of my favorite ones. And I got Al Pastor tacos. You guys are probably gonna laugh at me about how I say that, but you get red and green sauce. If you eat there, you get beans, but if you get it to go, you're gonna get some onions. I don't really eat onions. Makes my breath smell. And you get cilantro, some carrots, and just different things. But my favorite is red and green sauce. Some motherfucking lime. And yeah, we're gonna get right into this. This place is open till 2 a.m. It's great. I love this place. There's tons of parking out front. It is a taco truck, so you're gonna either have to eat in your car or eat outside. If you're eating with me or whatever, cheers. God damn, this is fucking delicious. It's great flavor, you know. The pastor is moist. It's not dry. Good quality of meat. And they're very fast. There's normally always a really long line. I was lucky today. There wasn't a very long line. So I'm gonna squeeze lime all over these because that's just the way to go. And they have all the pickings over there. You know, they got all the sauces and stuff that you can even scoop yourself. So yeah, be sure to check these guys out. They're awesome. And I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know what your favorite types of meats are in tacos. I like Al Pastor. They have cabeza, tripa, all this stuff. You know, they have a bunch of different stuff. They got burritos. Their quesadillas are really good. I kind of wish I got a quesadilla, to be honest. They can do cheese if you're like vegan or whatever, you know. And yeah, so. Oh, so this is the red sauce. And they have some really good red sauce there. It's really spicy. Let me just. Fuck. Yeah, that's what's up. This is their green sauce. They have two different green sauces. This is the darker one. I think this one's spicier than the red sauce last time I remember. We'll see though. I'm like trying not to spill this all over my car. There we go. All right, let's see which one's hotter, red or green. They're both very same. They're both the same. I do feel, however, that the green one is hotter. Probably because it has jalapeno seeds in it. The red one's more of like a meat sauce. The green one's more of like a chile verde. I don't know. But if you like street tacos, this is the place to go. And they're open until 2 a.m. Have a great night, guys. Peace.